Hi, I decided to do a little video to show you how to use the account history function in the MetaTrader 4. What you can see here, we are on my VPN server is what I am recording, and this is the live master account that I use for the trade copying service, right? So you can see some of the Magic EA windows up here, and you can see the trade copying service window up here. But down here below all of that, I have the terminal window, right? The terminal window on the trade tab is where we see the currently open positions. And right now I have 5 open positions. The first 3 all go together. This is an original trade that hedged, and it has a quick fixer attached to it, and currently the quick fixer is in a negative state. But all of this will work itself out sooner or later, so it just is what it is. Some trades don't go well, but eventually they do. So anyway, this is causing a rather significant negative PL in the account right now, but it's nothing to worry about. We're just using the money that we put into the account for the purpose that we put it into the account for. We put money into forex accounts to use that money to make more money. And the way we use the money is we use some of it on margin deposits to be in trades, and we use some of it to carry negative PL on positions that are currently negative until they become profitable. So it's nothing to be alarmed about, but remember, we don't close any position for a loss. So when you see negative PL in your account, it is temporary, okay? But if we want to see how the account has done today, then we come down to the tabs that are along the bottom of the terminal window, and we come over and we click on account history. Now, what you're seeing right now is you're seeing a history of the trades that have closed in this trading day. So this trading day started at 4 p.m. Central Time US yesterday, and right now it's 9:55 a.m. in US Central Time Zone. So this trading day will continue until 4 p.m. this afternoon. But so far in this trading day, we've closed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trades for a total of $115. Now remember, we started the account with $10,000. So $115 so far today is the equivalent of about a little over 1%, right, if we want to look at it that way. So far today I've booked just a little over 1%. I expect to close several more of the currently open trades today. In fact, this one is beginning to get profitable now, and then we have another one that's could get profitable anytime. So we'll probably have at least several more trades that will close today. But what you do in this account history window, you can sort the trades any way you want to. I can sort them by the time that they exited. I can sort them by which trade made the smallest to largest profit, or I can click that again and see it largest to smallest profit. I can sort them by the time that trades entered as trades. You can sort them any way you want to. I can sort them by symbol to see if there is one pair that has made multiple trades today, and in this case there's not. But let's say I want to see how many trades have closed so far this week. Okay, so if I wanted to change that, I would right click any place in the window and I would go to custom period. Okay, so here's the custom period box. So we bring the custom period box down, and you can sort through this many different ways. You can click the drop down window and see a lot of choices. We could go to the entire history, we could go to the last 3 days, the last week, the last month, etc. Or we can type in dates for what we want to see. So if I want to see everything that's happened so far this week, this trading week started on Sunday the 1st at 4 p.m., right? So I can click right there. Oh, we just had another trade close. So, anyway, just in the last few seconds, one of our other trades closed, because now we have $139.70 in our balance for today, and we only have 4 open positions, or 3 open positions. Okay, so we've had two more trades close. So those last 2 open positions that were in GBP AUD and AUD CHF, both of those 2 trades closed. So now we're back to only having the original trade, the hedge, and the quick fixer. Those 3 trades go together. But moving back to our account history window, we have it set right now to just show the activity for this trading day. If we want to change that and see what has the activity been for the entire week, then what we would do is we would right click in the box, go up to custom period, and we would change the dates. So what we do is we would take the beginning date back to Sunday the 1st, okay, because that's when this trading week started, and we could just leave this date alone and click OK. So now we actually have a scroll bar in our window because we've closed quite a few trades since the week began, right? Today's Tuesday. So this really is only about 1.5 trading days, right? Sunday to Monday, and then Monday to now. And so, you know, we still have 6 hours left in this current trading day, right? And so far this week, we've closed $289. And if we wanted to see all of the trades in the list at one time, if you put your cursor right here and wait for it to turn into this little up and down arrow thing, you can left click and drag that window up, and that will make the terminal window bigger. And now we can see the entire list of trades that have gone in so far this week, all at one time. And so far this week we've made $289 of profit off of closed positions. That's almost 3%, right? So that means the average profit, if we wanted to say, what's your average profit yesterday and today? Our average profit for yesterday and today would be about 1.5% per day, because we're only $11 shy of 300. And when we started with an account that was $10,000, you always want to consider, you know, your profit based on the $10,000, not the current balance in the account. And 1% of $10,000 is $100, so $300 would be 3% of $10,000, right? But let's say we wanted to see all of the trades that have gone into the account since the account was opened. Then we could right click down here and just say, show me all history, please. And now it's going to give us all the history from the original date that the deposits were made The trading began January 6th. That's when the first trade entered. And now we do have to use the scroll bar because there's so many trades we can't get them all in one view, right? But what we see is that over here on the left it says profit loss. We've made $1,594.86, right? That's how much I've booked in profit since I opened the account. Okay, now the thing is, the deposits that I made actually didn't equal exactly $10,000. They equaled $10,028.30. Okay, so our current balance, because this is showing not just the profit earned but the deposits as well, our current balance is $11,623. Okay, so if we now wanted to go back to just seeing today, we would right click any place in the window, go to custom period, we would take our little box here and we can click the drop down arrow and say just show me today please, and then click OK at the bottom. Now we're back to what we've closed during this trading day. And if I wanted to make this window smaller again, put my cursor up here, move it, wiggle it around until it turns into that up and down arrow, left click, and drag down to wherever you think you want that window, the top of that window to be. And that's how you manipulate the account history feature in MetaTrader 4. Okay? And then when you want to go back and see your open positions, you go back to the Trade tab. And there you have it. Hope this helps.